Amrita Khemnani. I am back again with the next video, grade 5 subject EVS. In the last video we have started with unit 5 seed. Yes, we have already completed 4 parts of this unit. In the last part what we have taken, just take one short revision. In that I have explained you about so many seeds. Yes, we have different kind of seeds. Their color, shape, size and texture also. Texture, it means the smoothness and roughness of their surface is different according to their shape, color and size. And yes, we have learned about that the seeds are the great travelers. Yes, seeds are traveling from one place to another with the help of air, with the help of squirrel, birds and human beings also, and water also. Yes, we have learned about this topic. Today I am going to continue with a new topic, and that is related to seeds only. How the seeds are traveling from one place to another with us also. हमारे साथ भी वो लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं somewhere, knowingly और unknowingly. Maybe कई बार हमें पता भी होता है कि yes, we are going to the market to purchase some seeds. We know that we went to the market to purchase seeds and we are carrying the seeds. We are taking the seeds from one place to another. Sometimes unknowingly also. It means suddenly कोई भी seeds के आकर उनके जो छोटे छोटे ऐसे बोल सकते हैं ना, the small fibers of the seeds are coming to us our clothes and they are sticking with our clothes, or maybe sticking with the animal's body also. हमारे साथ if suppose we have any pet animal, तो हमारे साथ जो pet animal है उसकी फर पर, उसकी बॉडी के जो फर है उसके ऊपर भी वो seeds stick हो जाते हैं. Okay, so we are going to learn about that topic, and the topic is related to one story. One story I'll tell you, and in that we will learn about how the seeds are traveling with human being. Velcro come to George Mastrel. Yes, George Mastrel is one person. He has one dog as a pet. He was habitual to go for the walk regularly with his dog. One day what happened in 1948, George Mastrel went to the walk with his dog. वो अपने dog के साथ walk करने गए थे, and when he came back, he noticed that something was sticking all over his clothes. उसके कपड़ों पे कुछ white color के seeds जैसे उसको दिख रहे थे. Something seeds was there which was sticking on his clothes, and yes, on the body of dog also. Dog की जो body थी उसके ऊपर भी वहाँ पर वो seeds stick हो गए थे. So he was surprised why these seeds suddenly have came and stick on my clothes. मुझे पता भी नहीं चला. Unknowingly that seeds have came to me and stick with my clothes. It was one kind of seed. Yes, he stick it elsewhere. उसने क्या किया? He noticed that this is a one kind of seed, and he tried to take out from its cloth. उसने अपने कपड़ों से उसको उतारा and he tried to stuck it elsewhere. उसने किसी और जगह पे उसको stick करने का try किया. And yes, you know what happened? It stuck to the other place also. उसने दूसरे किसी cloth पे उसको try किया, to any other thing he has tried. So that seed was like that. It was getting stick with anything. वो किसी भी चीज के साथ stick हो जा रहा था very easily. So he got surprised and he thought कि चलो मुझे तो कुछ इसमें doubt लग रहा है. How it happened? So here he began to observe. उसने क्या observe करना start किया? That the seed, what is available in that seed. उसने ये try किया कि उस seed के अंदर है क्या? With the help of microscope. Yes, what is the meaning of microscope? Microscope is a one kind of machine which is specially used to observe the objects very deeply or thoroughly. किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी object को हमें अगर बहुत अच्छे से deep में अंदर तक उसको notice करना हो तो the persons are using microscope. So George Mastrel also has used what? Microscope to observe this. Small hooks on the seeds easily stick to the clothes. उसने क्या notice किया? There are small hooks. एक छोटे छोटे hooks type है उस seed के अंदर, and that hooks are able to stick with the clothes. वो बहुत easily किसी भी cloth पर stick हो जाते हैं. After knowing this, Mastrel came up with the idea of Velcro. चलो, Velcro का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of Velcro? Have you seen on your sandals, on your shoes, maybe sometimes on your clothes also, and in your bag also? Velcro is there. जैसे आप उसको बंद करते हो and that both the parts get stuck. वो दोनों parts Velcro के stuck हो जाते हैं. So how the Velcro topic or Velcro idea has came in the mind of George Mastrel. George Mastrel has seen that there is a one seed which can easily stick with clothes and other items also. तो उसने क्या किया? उस seed को अच्छे से observe किया and he tried to make a Velcro from that. The Velcro strips stick easily together. वो एक दूसरे के साथ अच्छे से stick हो जाती थी. and especially that velcro strips are used in clothes. Yes, as I told you, in the clothes, bags, shoes, sandals, etc. These are used. This velcro is used specially in the clothes, bags, shoes and sandals also. And have you noticed somewhere, जब भी आप velcro open करते हो तो आपको एक थोड़ी सी आवाज आती है. कैसी आवाज आती है? The sounds like चर्र, ऐसे करके आवाज आती है. जैसे हम उस वेलक्रो को पुल आउट करते हैं या जब हम उसको स्टिक करते हैं, स्पेशली जब हम पुल आउट करते हैं, व्हेन वी वांट टू रिमूव इट. सो जब हम वेलक्रो ओपन करते हैं तो हम डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ साउंड लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ साउंड इज कमिंग फ्रॉम दैट वेलक्रो. सो दिस वाज द न्यू आइडिया दैट वाज done by George Mestral, and that has done the very nice velcro idea he has given us, and that we are using in our regular life also. Okay, now here I will explain you the last topic of our lesson, and that is who came from where. As I told you earlier that as a human being we are also the reason to travel one seed from another, one place to another, right? जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया knowingly और unknowingly, maybe we don't know कि हमारे साथ seeds travel कर रहे हैं, like somewhere the seeds stuck on our clothes, हमारे clothes पे लग जाते हैं, or otherwise on the fur of animals, of our pet animals. So this is the thing, from human beings are also helpful to travel the seeds from one place to another. So here we will talk about that matter, that we bring the seeds of the plants that we find beautiful. हम लोग ऐसे काफी सारे plants and seeds को घर पर लेकर आते हैं. Suppose all the persons like to keep lotus at home, maybe jasmine, sunflower, ऐसे different kind of flowers they like to keep at home. So what we are doing, we are going to the market and we are bringing some seeds of that particular type of flower or fruits, okay, and we are growing at home. But this is the nowadays thing. But earlier when we were not growing all the kinds of vegetables and fruits, आप सबके माइंड में डाउट होगा कि मैम चिलीज और ये सब हमारी कंट्री में ही स्टार्टिंग से ग्रो होते हैं. नो, chilies, potatoes, coffee, tea, peas, these are the all things that started from another country. वो दूसरी कंट्री से हमारी कंट्री में बाद में आए थे. First we started to borrow from another country. So many different traders were there at the earlier age, and they were going to the another country to bring some different type of vegetables and fruits. So here we will talk about that. Do you know from where the chilies came? Chilies कहाँ से आए? अब हम सबके माइंड में तो यही आता है, मैम चिलीज आर ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया, राइट? नाउअडेज चिलीज आर ग्रोइंग इन इंडिया, बट अर्लियर चिलीज, potatoes and tea came from South America. Yes, South America is another country which is out of India. So many different kind of traders went to South America and they have brought the seeds of chilies, potatoes and tea in our country. First of all, we have used that and then we have tried to grow them in our country. Then other items, peas, cabbage, coffee came from the Europe. Yes, Europe is another country. Peas, it means मटर. Cabbage you already know, गोभी जो हम लोग खाते हैं. Then coffee, yes, coffee seeds इतने शेप के होते हैं. We are using coffee powder for making hot coffee or cold coffee. Somewhere milkshake also we are using coffee. So these seeds of coffee, peas and cabbage we got from Europe country. Here we can talk about soybean also. Soybean also came from China. चाइना से हमें सोयाबीन के सीड्स मिले थे. देन आफ्टर वी स्टार्टेड टू ग्रो देम इन इंडिया. सो दीज आर द आइटम्स. अर्लियर वी वर ट्राइंग टू गेट फ्रॉम अनदर कंट्री, बट नाउअडेज इंडिया कंट्री हैज टोटली डेवलप्ड. वो अच्छे से डेवलप हो चुकी है एंड दीज ऑल द आइटम्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स वी आर ग्रोइंग इन आवर पर्सनल कंट्री. हम लोग हमारी खुद की कंट्री में ये सारी चीजें ग्रो करते हैं बाय ओन. Yes, now let's talk about some vegetables which are already growing in India. जो starting से from the earlier age they are growing in India only. So that things are brinjal. Brinjal it means बैंगन. Then radish, beans, different kind of beans. Mangoes, yes, mangoes, oranges. These fruits are grown in India only. Spinach it means palak. Mint यानी कड़ी पत्ता, नीम. Then fenugreek, मेथी दाने. These all the things already growing in India. वो already grown in India हो चुके हैं. We are continue with that process. Here on the last page of this unit, one poem is there. In that poem, that is very funny. In that poem, this all the points are covered. Which things are growing in India, which came from out of the country. All the things are covered in that poem. You can read that poem for having fun and to get more knowledge about the vegetables and fruits, right? Now let's take a short revision of the whole chapter. What we have learned in this chapter? Yes, we have learned about so many seeds of our country. हमारी कंट्री में कितने सारे seeds हैं. Some seeds directly we are eating, some we are cooking, and then some we are sprouting also. As I told you, we have done one activity also of sprouting. We are keeping our chanas or moong in a damp cloth. After 2 days, when we will open that damp cloth, it means the wet cloth, the chanas will turn in a sprouts. What sprouts में turn out हो जाते हैं. We have learned about some other seeds, which are the seeds traveling from one place to another with the help of squirrel, birds, water also. These all the things we have covered. One more new thing that we have learned today, Velcro. Yes, George Mastrel ने एक नया idea निकाला था, that was Velcro, and that is used in a day nowadays in clothes, shoes, bags and sandals also, and that is one kind of seed only. वो एक ऐसा seed है जो easily stick हो जाता है, right? So and we have learned about so many seeds which are traveling with the air. Air के साथ भी काफी सारे seeds travel कर जाते हैं from one place to another. So these all the things we have learned about in this unit. Okay, so in the next video we will continue with the new unit.